Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to sort and filter notifications on this device. Go to settings, tap on the option notifications. Here you can see the option sort and filter notifications. Tap on this one. So according to your choice, you can select any one from here to sort the notification by time or by priority. Okay. So if you want to, you can see the old notifications. Filter notification received more than few days ago, then you have to turn on this option for the older notifications. And the next one, background activities. Filter notification used to show that in-app is running in the background. Minimized notification. Filter notification set to be minimized in notification category settings. So according to your choice, you can select any options for the filter notification. You can select all the notifications or the background activities or minimize the notifications. If you select the categories, then it will grouped together at the bottom of the notification panel. So to sort the notification, you can select by time or by priority. So simply in this way, we can sort and filter the notification on this device. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.